Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm an AmeriCorps Vista with CICOA this summer, and today I will be showing you how to make a quick and nutritious salad. It's going to incorporate black beans, corn, tomato, and onion, and you can use fresh, canned, or frozen versions of all these vegetables. So today, what our recipe calls for is 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed, 1/2 cup of corn, 1 can of diced tomatoes or 2 whole tomatoes, 1/4 cup of onion, we chose red, and then 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So like I stated earlier, you can choose fresh, frozen, or canned versions. Those canned and frozen versions are going to be just as nutritious because they are canned and frozen at peak ripeness. So we're locking in all those vitamins and minerals. First, we're going to add our can of black beans. So go ahead and pour that in. And black beans are high in protein. Protein is the building block for our hair, skin, and nails, so it'll help keep those strong. Get all of that in there. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of corn. And corn is going to be high in fiber, so it helps our digestive system. And then we're going to add the can of tomatoes, or we would dice 2 whole tomatoes. So go ahead and add those. Tomatoes are going to be high in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our immune system, and our immune system prevents us from getting sick. And then it's also going to have an antioxidant called lycopene, and lycopene gives tomatoes their red color, and that'll help keep our heart strong. And then we'll go ahead and add our 1/4 cup of red onion. And onion has flavonoids that help with brain function. So we'll give that a stir before we add everything else. All right, and then we can go ahead and add our oil. We chose vegetable oil today. Vegetable oil is not hydrogenated, so it's heart healthy. And then it's also cholesterol free, so 2 tablespoons. We have 1, and then we have 2. And then we can go ahead and add our lime juice. Lime juice is also high in vitamin C, so once again, going to be helping our immune system. So 1 tablespoon. Then we can go ahead and give it a good stir. And this is a dish, it can be a side dish, it can be put on pasta, and you can get some carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are gonna give us energy. We can also pair it with some tortilla chips. You can pair it on chicken and get some more protein, or like I said, a side dish. So you can go ahead and chill this in the refrigerator if you like, and that'll take out some of the pungent taste of the onion and just get it nice and cold for you, or you can eat it as is. So today I'm gonna try it with a tortilla chip. We'll give it a taste. It's really delicious and it smells great and it's super nutritious and a quick and easy side or main entree you can make.